Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to remove a payment option from StubHub. If you don't have a StubHub account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click on Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right part of the screen. Click on the profile icon. Then you will see several options at the left side menu. Click on the option that says Settings. On this page, you will see a section for payment options for buying tickets. Beside your payment option is a delete icon. Click on Delete icon. Then, a pop-up message will appear stating what will happen if you remove a credit or debit card. To continue, click on Yes, remove it. And now your payment option has been removed. That's how you remove a payment option from StubHub. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.